On any computer that you use, whether it's a client, Windows 7, Windows 10, if it's a server operating system, an easy way to view your workgroup or domain membership, there are a couple of ways, but one is to simply go to Control Panel. In Control Panel, if you navigate to System, I can see right now under Computer Name, Domain, and Workgroup Settings, my computer's named RTS-DC1. We know that because that's what we named it. And I can see my computer is in a workgroup named Workgroup right now. If I wanted to change that to join a domain, I could go to Change Settings. To rename this computer or change its domain or workgroup membership, click Change. Well, if we click Change, I could simply select Domain, specify the name of the domain that you want to join. Now, someone would supply that name to you, and you could attempt to join the domain. You can also do that in Server Manager. I already have Server Manager open, where if I click Local Server, and I'm going to scroll up in the window to the top here, under the computer name, there is a workgroup. If you click that, it actually brings up the same exact screen. So you could simply go to Change, and you could join your computer to an existing domain in your environment. Now, if you're on a Windows 10 machine, you don't have Server Manager on a client OS, you would simply do that through Control Panel. Or if you just want to verify if you're in a workgroup or if your computer is in a domain, that's an easy way to do it. What we will get ready to do is actually install Active Directory, and we're going to create our own domain environment that we will then be able to join clients and other servers to as members of our domain.